The festival is themed at harnessing citizens, fostering ownership, expression, enjoyment, and innovation for SDG. And primarily, my main part there is enjoyment. I am here to confirm that we are going to enjoy this festival. When it comes to Pallaso and music, you know it's strictly enjoyment. So I'm very, very happy to be well involved on this festival, and I can guarantee everybody tugenda kweyagala mu betu, tugenda chipba, tugenda kuba tune ku tune. N'abavubuka mwenna mbayita, everybody wherever you are, this is it. Things are really working, and we are here to make them work. Goal number 1 of the SDGs, ending poverty in all its forms everywhere. Now I come from the music industry, which is the most employing industry next to construction in the nation. And when it comes to the youth, it's the most employing industry, which involves both the formal and informal sector. So I am sure that me on board, I represent Ugandan music, and I'm sure all sectors are gonna be involved. Again, on goal number 2, ending hunger, achieving food security, improving nutrition, and promoting sustainable agriculture. Like I said, this industry employs the biggest sector of the youth. So we are very glad to know that together we are fighting hunger, again with the music industry involved on the SDG festival. Goal number 3, to promote healthy lives and promote well-being for all ages. We all know music is medicine. Music is a utility. We use it like water and electricity in our homes. So again, this is a powerful communication that our lives are going to be healthy if we use this type of communication on the SDG. There's going to be a lot of great music, and we know it's going to be all ages, right? So everyone is welcome. Please come in very good numbers. Music is an educative tool as well. On goal number 3, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. So my dear,
we have explained clearly how SDG work. When you're talking about health, when you're talking about education, we have means of health doing their job very well, and you cannot say means of health is not doing their job. SDG work in collaboration, we work together. When I talk about education, which KCC has clarified, those are government programs. But the way we are implementing it, we are working as a team. We're not working single-handedly. So any development you see, an example in Kampala City, beginning with the road, school, hospital, all those, that's how SDG works. So we may be having some challenges, but we are progressing well. Yes, I know you could have had maybe some lower percentage, but in your own mind, can you rate that UPE is not doing well? No, we are doing very well. Can you rate that agriculture is not doing very well? Even you are an agriculturist. Can you rate that media is not doing well? You are a media, you are here going to cover a lot. Those are the way we are going to make. Let's have an objective mind as we do this thing. We shall progress very well.
Government model and others to try and ensure that we provide what we want to term as poverty alleviating initiatives to our communities, because we are cognizant of the fact that whereas we live in the capital city, we have a huge section of our population that lives in poverty, and ours is to struggle to ensure that we lift them out of there. And in fact, part of our exhibition on that day is we're going to have our urban farming section. We have a huge urban demonstration farming charger. We are going to lift it and bring it to the venue for you to have an appreciation of how you can carry out small scale but highly intensive and profitable agriculture ventures that can stem you out of poverty in the city by producing enough food, not just for you to consume, but also for you to be able to sell. We have SDG number 4, which talks about quality education. Did you know that KCCA operates 78 primary schools in this city? 78 universal primary education schools. You can name them from Nakasero Primary School, Uganda Road, Summit View, Jiswa Primary School, 78 of them. And we also operate 22 universal secondary education schools in this city. So with a catchment of over 100 schools, we are certainly playing a huge role in providing quality education, never mind our very different circumstances. SDG number 5 talks about gender equality. You are aware that we have a huge administrative structure at KCC, but we're also an all-encompassing employer. From our top leadership, where we have a lady at the helm of the City Council Authority, that's Madam Executive Director. Among our top directors in the technical wing, at least 3 of them are ladies. You know that the Speaker of the KCCA Council is an incredible lady, and so is the Deputy Lord Mayor, including a huge cachet of representative councillors at different levels who are all females. So we are progressing very well in ensuring that we have gender equality and also ensuring that we are all equal opportunity employer. SDG number 6 talks about clean water and sanitation. If you have lived in this city long enough, you'll appreciate the efforts that KCC is putting in place, working together with other government agencies such as National Water, to ensure that our environment in the city, the sanitation of which is up to at least a good standard. And that's why for the long time, in a while, you have not had cases of cholera in the city, because KCCA is at the helm of ensuring that we stem urban good sanitation, working together with different stakeholders. And that's why we are particularly very much interested in ensuring that we foster the appreciation of this SDG number 6. The last one is sustainable cities and communities. Now, Kampala is a beautiful city set on wonderful undulating hills with valleys that should, for the most part, have swamps and all the like. You know the challenges that we continue to have. We have much of our green space, for the most part, being dissipated in preference for concrete, so that you have many more buildings. But we are working in a delicate balance together with other different stakeholders to ensure that while we promote the development of our city and have it built, we also must keep in place green spaces so that our city remains green, our city breathes, and our city lives up to good air quality, so that those of us and everyone that lives and commutes through this city is in a place which they would love to enjoy in terms of residence and in terms of work. So on the whole, as I conclude, ladies and gentlemen, it is to say that KCCA and the SDG Secretariat, considering what I've just mentioned above, we are natural partners, and so we are happy to participate, we are happy to partner, and indeed we are also happy to lend any other